Hello, myself Dr. Devanti Banerjee, consultant medical oncologist at ACG Cancer Center, Kolkata. Today I shall discuss regarding some fact versus myth in lung cancer. One of the most predominant myth is that lung cancer can exclusively happen among smokers, but it is not like that. Some important epidemiological studies published in several international journals showed that among 15 to 20% case of lung cancer may happen in non-smoker also. And lung cancer in non-smoker is somehow distinct from lung cancer in smoker. Like most of the cases are adenocarcinoma and patients are young, female and non-smoker or never smoker. So what are the risk factor for lung cancer among non-smoker? Those are environmental factor like environmental pollution, radon exposure, and passive smoking or secondhand smoking or indoor cooking fumes. And some genetic factors are also present. Non-smoker lung cancer patient, they usually present with some actionable genetic mutation, and if genetic mutations are present like ALK, ROS, EGFR, etc., and EGFR mutation is very common among Asian young non-smoker female, and in those cases we can give oral target therapy along with chemotherapy or instead of chemotherapy. And the dangerous in non-smoker is like that they usually ignore the symptom like long standing cough or chest discomfort or any blood in sputum, so it causes delayed presentation, so it may cause the disease progression. So the myth that lung cancer cannot happen among non-smoker causes unexpected delayed presentation. So the message is simple: do not ignore any symptom like discomfort or long-standing cough or hemoptysis like that, because lung cancer can happen both in smoker and non-smoker. Thank you.